Success isn't about where you start. It's about where you aim and how hard you're willing to work to get there. Today, we delve into the remarkable life of Sam Walton, a man whose dream transformed not just his life, but the way the world shops. Sam Walton was born on March 29, 1918, in Kingfisher, Oklahoma, during a time when America was struggling to recover from the devastation of World War I. The Walton family, like millions of others, faced the harsh realities of poverty. Sam's father, Thomas Walton, worked as a farm appraiser, a job that required frequent relocations, uprooting the family every few years. Despite the instability, Sam's upbringing was filled with lessons on resilience, hard work, and ingenuity. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, turn on the notification bell, and comment. As a child, Sam was no stranger to responsibility. Even before his teenage years, he contributed to the family's income. He milked cows at dawn, bottled the milk, and delivered it to neighbors. Later, he added selling magazine subscriptions to his list of entrepreneurial ventures. These small jobs were more than just a means to earn money. They laid the foundation for his future, teaching him the value of customer service and perseverance. The Great Depression, which began when Sam was just 11 years old, pushed his family and the entire nation into deeper financial struggles. But even in these hard times, Sam excelled. In high school, he stood out as a leader, serving as student body president and quarterback of the football team. His peers and teachers recognized his determination, charm, and ability to inspire others, traits that would later shape his career. After high school, Sam attended the University of Missouri, where he majored in economics. His time at college wasn't easy. He worked multiple jobs to support himself, from waiting tables to delivering newspapers. But no matter how busy he was, Sam maintained a sharp focus on his studies and extracurricular activities. He was elected president of his fraternity and earned recognition as permanent secretary of his class. Even then, his vision was clear. He wanted to make a lasting impact on the world. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, turn on the notification bell, and comment. In 1940, after graduating with his degree, Sam took his first professional step as a management trainee at JCPenney. It was here that he learned the basics of retail, customer relations, and store operations. Despite his clear talent, Sam was far from perfect. His boss once remarked that Sam was too friendly with the customers, often spending more time with them than on administrative tasks. But this friendliness, this genuine connection with people, would become one of his greatest strengths. After America entered World War II, Sam joined the U.S. Army, where he served as an officer in the Quartermaster Corps, managing logistics and supplies. His military service further honed his leadership skills and taught him the importance of efficiency, skills he would later use to revolutionize the retail industry. After the war, Sam returned home with a dream. In 1945, he borrowed $25,000 from his father-in-law and used his savings to purchase a Ben Franklin variety store in Newport, Arkansas. At just 27 years old, Sam was ready to prove himself. He quickly turned the struggling store into a success, increasing sales and profits by focusing on one simple principle: sell more at lower prices. Sam realized that customers valued affordability, and he was determined to deliver it. However, success wasn't without its setbacks. After 5 years, Sam's landlord refused to renew the lease and instead took over the store for himself. This could have been the end of Sam's dreams, but he refused to let one obstacle define his future. Undeterred, Sam and his wife Helen moved to Bentonville, Arkansas, where they purchased another store and started again. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, turn on the notification bell, and comment. In 1962, Sam Walton opened the first Walmart in Rogers, Arkansas. His vision was revolutionary: bring big savings to small-town America. While other retailers focused on urban areas, Sam believed that rural communities deserved the same opportunities. He kept costs low, sourced products directly from manufacturers, and passed the savings on to customers. This strategy, combined with his relentless focus on customer satisfaction, was a winning formula. Over the next decade, Walmart grew rapidly. Sam introduced innovative practices to streamline operations, such as centralized distribution centers and advanced inventory management systems. His commitment to technology gave Walmart a competitive edge, enabling it to expand faster and serve customers better. But Sam's genius wasn't limited to logistics. It extended to people. He believed that his employees, whom he called associates, were the backbone of Walmart. Sam treated them with respect, shared profits through stock options and bonuses, and fostered a culture of teamwork. By empowering his associates, Sam built a company that felt like a community, where everyone worked together toward a shared goal. By the 1980s, Walmart had become a household name, with stores spreading across the United States. In 1985, Forbes named Sam Walton the richest man in America, but despite his immense wealth, Sam remained humble. He drove an old pickup truck, wore simple clothes, and continued to focus on what mattered most: his customers, his employees, and his mission to provide value. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, turn on the notification bell, and comment. Sam Walton passed away in 1992, leaving behind a legacy that few could match. At the time of his death, Walmart had over 1,900 stores, annual revenues exceeding $44 billion, and a reputation as the world's leading retailer. Today, Walmart operates thousands of stores worldwide, serving millions of customers every day. But more than the numbers, Sam's story is a testament to the power of vision, hard work, and unwavering determination. Sam Walton's journey from a small-town boy to the founder of a global empire proves that success is not defined by where you begin, but by how far you're willing to go. His story reminds us that, with a clear purpose, a strong work ethic, and a heart dedicated to serving others, anything is possible. So the next time you visit a Walmart, remember the man behind the vision, Sam Walton, a pioneer, a leader, and a true American success story.